Day 1 of 63, going from 0 to 100K a month. I like to look at this painting I made for inspiration and meditation. It relaxes me. Alright, so today is day 1. So you don't want to overwhelm yourself. You want to start off nice and simple. What you're going to do is make a list of all the people, companies, and or channels you're going to reach out to. So if you watched the last video where we talked about assets and future assets, if you currently have a way of making money that you can scale easily, like a digital product or something you don't have to hold on to an inventory for, then that will be your outreach method that you'll use. Remember, you want to find win-win scenarios with the people you're reaching out to. So you need to convey a message that makes it a win for you and a win for them. So for me personally, the channels I'm going to be reaching out to are going to be sleep related, lucid dreaming related, and manifestation related. I will also be reaching out to podcasts, and the offer I will make to all of these people is entertaining and educational content and an affiliate offer. So when we do exchange our content across sites, they will get a specific link. So if a customer ends up purchasing through their link, they'll make 20% of the sale. So that will entice them to want to work together, and they will get great educational and entertaining content. So that's very simple for day 1. We're just going to make the list of all the people we're going to reach out to. All right, looking forward to it. See you on day 2. And remember, meditate and clear your mind so you stay positive through this journey. Bye.